Good afternoon. So today I've done a few jobs already, brake bleeds, heads, various other things. However, slightly different one. Marco Pantani. His head fell off. Let's see if we can repair this wee one. So I'm having a wee look at the head. I think the head's going to be more difficult to do, but so I put a crank bolt on his head, which is now stuck on the spring. Now I can't get that off, so I'll cut the bolt off and then I'll try and glue that in there, and hopefully that'll be it. There we go. So now I've got a wee bolt on there, and that should, bit of glue and we're away. Marco, a wee cleaning, you're finished, son. Right, so I've got some Evo-Stik epoxy resin. Let's just do a wee tiny mix up, if it works. That is. Might be out of date, to be fair. Oh, there we go. There we go. Marco, you're fixed. Just let that dry overnight. Job done. Have a good day, guys.